Welcome back, guys. I was doing absolutely fine, and just sort of starting to make these sort of videos because definitely you are stronger than today. Like, if this video has come randomly on your feed, then it is definitely a sign that if I could take the courage and get to make this video, then definitely you are definitely more stronger than what probably I was going through. This pain is not going to stay, trust me. I was way bad a few weeks ago or a few months ago, and today I am just putting on a smile and I'm actually smiling. And the better days are still coming, because what has left you, you have to learn to let it go. It is the most difficult part, but I know you're going to do that. And you matter more than you think to people who actually love you and people who have actually been through with this. So whenever you're thinking of giving it all up, just don't. This will pass, and just love yourself.